My name is Fan and I'm a business economics student. Hi guys, welcome to video session about how to build a pivot chart. What I'm going to do is show you a brief example about how to build a pivot chart based on video data from our CIS 2010 folder. And if you need more help, I will also post this representation on last minute. You can watch it several times or look this presentation to do your pivot chart. Okay, now we get started. First, we are going to enable macros. We enter our names and our student ID over here. Then we click pivot table. You will see a worksheet called sales data, and on this worksheet we want to click S2, and we want to find the gross margin, so we enter P2, which is unit price for second column, minus Q2, which is unit cost. We also need to divide unit price again, which is P2. Then we will get our gross margin, which is 0.49 for second column, second cell. Now we select this cell, we copy it, we choose this column, we paste it. You will see it filled up of all gross margins except the first one. For the first one, we want to rename it as gross margin. Now, what we wanted to do is insert a pivot table. You can see the range is from column A to column S, and we want to put it on new worksheet. We press OK. We rename this worksheet as pivot table. We will assign the sales channel to columns and ship date to rows. For the ship date, we want to take out the ship date and the years from rows and only left the quarters. We just have to drag it outside from the fields. Then it will only show the quarters. Now, for the values, we want order quantity and gross margin. We want to click this, I don't know how to describe, but this sign over here, and we will see the numbers. We want to make it to 0 decimals with the order quantity. And for the gross margin, we want the average and decimals places with 2 decimal. What's going on? Okay. And two decimal places. Yeah. Average of gross margin. Now, we already finished our pivot table, and we are going to insert a slicer. We want to click the sales channel and product. For list 2, you can see here has 2 lists, and we only want the online for sales channel and sculptures for product. We want to do our pivot chart right now, so we are going to click pivot table analyze by selecting a number on the pivot table, and we click pivot chart. You can see over here. Here is our pivot chart, but it's not completed yet. We double click, right click. We double right click the chart and choose a column. Then you can see here has a sign. We click it. We choose secondary axis. You can see here it has changed a lot, and now our pivot chart is completed. We can also choose install to see the difference between first one and the second one, the install and online. If you have any more questions or you need any help, here is my representation. It has more information, more details. If you need anything, it's probably here. On the end, here is my joke for the day. I asked my dad if he knew any formulas in Excel. He said, "Yeah, son."